Hey guys, this is Alex Movie and Video Game Corner 2001 here, and today I'm going to be doing a movie review. So this movie review, I'm going to be reviewing a 2009 animated movie that was made by 20th Century Fox and Blue Sky Studios, and it was the second computer animated sequel ever made, and that is Ice Age 3, Dawn of the Dinosaurs. So the plot of Ice Age 3, Dawn of the Dinosaurs, after the events of Ice Age 2, The Meltdown, Manny and Ellie are both getting married because we're having about a baby mammoth named Peaches. And then later on, Diego, Sid, and Crash and Eddie were having fun for exploring the dinosaur footprints in the south for the Ice Age. And then later on, Sid the Sloth and Diego, the tooth-sabered tiger, carries the 3 eggs and puts in the nest for the T-Rex. And then later on, the three eggs hatch. There have the little dinosaurs, which is the baby dinosaurs from the T-Rex. And then later on, Sid the Sloth pets the three baby dinosaurs. And then later on, the 3 baby dinosaurs licking Sid the Sloth. And then later on, the 3 dinosaurs licking Sid the Sloth's feet. How feel it's ticklish. Then later on, Sid the Sloth was taking care of the 3 baby dinosaurs for the T-Rex. And then later on, Sid the Sloth runs away from the T-Rex and his 3 baby dinosaurs. And then later on, Diego saw this footprint for the dinosaurs, for the baby dinosaurs. And then later on, Eddie and Crush were trying to pet the 3 baby dinosaurs and the T-Rex from the south for the Ice Age in the jungle. And then later on, Ellie the mammoth was pregnant. And then later on, Manny, Diego, Sid, Crash, and Eddie must work together to try to defeat the bad guys for the evil dinosaurs from the Ice Age. And then later on, Manny, Diego, Sid, Crash, and Eddie here to save the day in the south for the Ice Age in the jungle. And then later on, Manny, Diego, Sid, Ellie, Crash, and Eddie was met. And then later on, Manny, Diego, Sid, Crash, Eddie, and Ellie met this baby mammoth named Peaches for the very first time. And then later on, Scrat the tooth-sabered squirrel put the berry in the acorn under the ground, just like did the first 2 Ice Age movie does. And then later on, Scrat met this tooth-sabered flying squirrel named Scrat-Tay. Falls in love and romantic and relationship together. So that's for the plot for this sequel. So what do I think of it? I think Ice Age 3 Dawn of the Dinosaurs was an awesome Blue Sky Studios sequel from 2009. The music is good, voice actor is good, the animation's good, screenplay's good, layout's good, story's good. Song's pretty good, just like in Ice Age from 2002 and Ice Age 2 The Meltdown from 2006. Sound effects pretty good. And the colors are pretty good. Well, you guys been wondering, Alex Movie and Video Game Corner 2001. Have you seen Ice Age 3 Dawn of the Dinosaurs in theaters back in 2009? And the answer to that question is yes. I've seen Ice Age 3 Dawn of the Dinosaurs in theaters back in 2009. When I was 8 years old, I saw this movie in theaters of grand opening weekend. Well, you guys been wondering, Alex Movie and Video Game Corner 2001. Will you recommend Ice Age 3 Dawn of the Dinosaurs to our friend? And the answer to that question is yes. I highly recommend Ice Age 3 Dawn of the Dinosaurs to our friend, which that was an awesome Blue Sky Studios sequel from 2009. Well, you guys been wondering, Alex Movie and Video Game Corner 2001. What will you rate Ice Age 3 Dawn of the Dinosaurs? I'll rate Ice Age 3 Dawn of the Dinosaurs 9 out of 10 stars. That was an awesome Blue Sky Studios sequel from 2009. This sequel was released in theaters on July 1st, 2009. Well, thank you guys. And that's it, guys. So that's my movie review on Ice Age 3 Dawn of the Dinosaurs. Goodbye, everybody, from me, Alex Movie and Video Game Corner 2001, for me saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for Alex Movie and Video Game Corner 2001.